Stop scrolling. This isn't just another tutorial, it's a live demonstration of setting up a KDP or Amazon KDP account and publishing your first book in minutes. Forget the guesswork and endless research and pulling back the curtain on the entire process, showing you how to go from idea to published author all in one sitting. However, this video is going to be in two parts. So the first part is just getting your Amazon KDP account set up, and the other part will be for brainstorming on the ideas and whatnot. So if you want to watch the two parts, please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button so you don't miss when the second part drops. So what is Amazon KDP? Right now, Amazon KDP is simply what this sounds: into direct publishing. Right, that's what it stands for, and it's a self-publishing website that's owned by Amazon. Right, and the question that's going to be in a lot of your mind is, can everybody sign up? And in my experience, everybody can sign up, especially those from people from Nigeria, Ghana, and other African countries. You can use Amazon KDP. This is how the whole system works. Step one is you need to set up an account. So you have to set up an account. All right. Now, step two is you would have to create a book, because it's all about books, right? And then step three is you have to publish a book on KDP. Now, when these three steps are done, what happens is Amazon then publish or print the book, the hard copy book. I mean, if it's a book that needs a hard copy, because some books need hard copies, like coloring books for children need hard copy. You don't know what that is? The video on the screen that pops up on your screen now, go watch it and see what that does. Okay, so you publish on Amazon, then Amazon prints the book for you and delivers right to your clients, and your client is very happy that they've gotten their book, right? But if it's a digital copy, you don't have to print anything. However, Amazon takes about 30% from each book, because they are the one doing all of the heavy lifting, especially when they're delivering. Heavy lifting, they deliver everything, they do it for you, right? So you can simply just make money enlisting all of your books or enlisting some books. Now, the big question in your mind is, how do you then get a book? How do you create a book? And all of this, how to use, will be answering in this channel. This is Cash by Titas. We're all about making you money, or helping you make money so you can live the independent life that you always want. Right? So how do you get a book? What type of books do you create and whatnot? So what I usually do is I like books that are a bit more evergreen, right? Evergreen and interactive. So this kind of books are books that people want to get, right? If it's evergreen and it's interactive, books that make people engage themselves, engage their minds. These are the kind of books I think you should be getting into. These are the kind of books I make, and they can be completely passive, guys. What I'm going to show you is how to do this passively. I have other businesses I run. This is just one of them, and you can simply do this on the side without breaking your back. All right. So it's simple. You come on this Amazon KDP. I'm going to leave the link in the description, so you can simply just go click and come straight here. But when you're here, you simply have to sign up or join. So you just simply click on join KDP or sign in if you already have an account. You click on join KDP, and it's going to take you to the next page where you would have to join. So please keep this in the back of your mind. If you already have an Amazon account, this can work. If you have an Amazon account, then I ask you to go register. I mean, set up an Amazon account, right? So now just put all of this information, and then you're good to go. So I'm going to pause this and put the information and play back the video. All right, let me quickly mention, if you already have an account with Amazon, maybe you are selling on Amazon, or you've signed up on Amazon. If you try to create an account with that old email, it's going to tell you that you already have an account. So please use the Amazon account you've created before. One email for all Amazon products is okay. For your first name, your email, password that you can remember, we enter the password. Then you click on create your KDP account. Now, if it tells you already have an account, it's going to display the email here. All right. I mean, the email that you're using, that you already have an account. All you do is sign in. So you click on sign in. When you click on sign, it's going to bring you here. You put in the email and click on continue. If you've forgotten the password, it's going to ask you forgot password. It's going to send a code to your email so you can take the password you've used and then impute it and the forgot password space that you get, then you just proceed, follow the prompt, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. It looks like this, all right? So I have two separate Amazon accounts. I'm using this one. This is a fresh one for this particular for the KDB, right? This is a fresh one. I have another account where I use sell books, all right, for the KDB. But I'm just doing this from scratch so you see how it works. All you do, just click on I agree, all right? Just read all the terms. Please read the terms. Very important. Take your time to read the terms. I have done that already, and I don't want to read the terms because the video will be too long. So all you do is just click on agree if you agree. If you don't agree, then obviously this is not for you, right? So just click agree. All right. And then from agree, wait for it to do this thing, and it's trying to remember that you said agree, or you can print a version of this and keep somewhere so you can refer to at a later time. So you are here now, right? This is the KDB dashboard or back end, right? Your account portal where you can create, manage, and publish. So we have created an account. You see, this isn't difficult. This is very easy, right? So all of this you're seeing here is all you need to know. This is bookshelf, report, community, and marketing, right? This is how you sign out. If you want to sign out, this is a bit more of your account. Click on that, you get more details in your account, like your email and all of that, which I don't want to show you. All right, so that's it, guys. Really. So you could search by title. You could search if there's a book you want to search. You could do all of that here, meaning your book. I mean, the book you've created. I know you'll be wondering, why would you want to search your book? Now, with Amazon KDB, you have to be aggressive, right? Creating just one book won't get you sales, won't get you a lot of sales. So if you want to create just one book or maybe create just two books, then you are not ready to make a lot of money. You should be ready to create about 50 books, 60 books, and all of that. And I'll be showing you how to do this in the other part of this video, so just stay tuned. But this is how you sign up. And like I said, even if you're a Nigerian, you could get started with this beautiful website. Now, please provide required information on your account page to receive your royalty payments for book sales. So if you click on this, it's going to take you to another page here. Now, let me let you know that you can make money, receive money, not just with PayPal, but also with Payoneer, right? So with Payoneer, you can get money into your account. And how do you do that? By signing up with your Payoneer and banking details. The banking details that Payoneer gives to you, you sign them up here, right, to receive royalty payments. A royalty payment is a commission you make from the proceeds you make, right? So you charge a book for, say, let's say you charge a book for, say, okay, listen and text me. Okay, I play text me an OTP. So let's say, for example, you send in, you are selling your book for $8, right? Amazon takes out that 30%. What's left of this, say, for example, let's say $60 is left. This is your royalty. And this is what they pay you. Now, don't worry, this might look small, but it's okay, adds up pretty fast. Now imagine you sold about 10 of this, all right, and that's 10 times 6, that's about $60, right? And if you sell, say, about 100 of this, then you've made $600. If you sell 8,000, then you've made $6,000. So I want to see the possibility, right? Don't think there's not a lot of money made here. All right, so then put in the OTP code. I'm going to blur it out so that you don't see the code. And so I could, all right. So when you're done putting your OTP, you then click sign in, and then it's going to do your authenticating your two verification process, right? So just wait for it. My internet's a bit slow. Don't know why. All right, so wait for it to sign in. Right now, so this way is a very passive way to make money, because once the book is out there, right? Anybody can come in and then buy the book, read the book, and I'll be showing you the type of books that make you quick money, right? There's some books that will take a long time, right? But I'm going to show you a type of book and also give you the tool you can use in creating this book. Not just the book, but the tool to make it very easy for you. So in less than 20 minutes, you're done creating a book that you can publish on Amazon KDB and make your good money. All right. So they're trying to do all the whole identification thing. That's why it's taking this long. Right. But again, I think my internet is a bit slow. So that's one of the reasons. I'm going to pause the video now and come back when the whole process is done. So this is where it brings you, where you just need to put in your identity, put your full name, your country, your postal code, your state, city, address, date of birth, phone number, everything. Now, don't go put in a shady name or a fake name. Don't do that, right? It's going to affect you when it's time to get paid. Because you see, there's a pot here showing getting paid. All right. Okay. And when it gets here, tax formation, don't worry if you're from Nigeria or other countries where the tax is a bit shaky. Don't worry, you can just put not a US citizen. But remember that you are going to get paid. So your account details should be a correct one, right? So I'm going to pause this video and then put in my account details so we can proceed. When you're done putting all the information, just click save and continue, or you can save and continue later. I want to click save and continue now. All right, so we're done with that part of things, right? And now it's time to fill in other parts of your information. This point is telling you to, you're in the point of getting paid. It's asking you to put in tell them about your bank. And this way I'm going to get my own bank information. All right, so this is me on my Payoneer account. I'm trying to get my bank details. Once I'm done getting my bank details, I'll then come back here and then tell them everything they need to know about my bank, where it is, and all of that, right? When they ask you where your bank is, you click on it's going to show you different countries. Just click on the country that your bank is. Now I have accounts in the US and the UK because I use Payoneer. So then this is fine for me. So for my account, I'm using a checking account. I'm going to put all of these numbers. All right. Then after that, all of this information. Then when I'm done with this, you just simply put in add and this will be added, right? Then we'll come down here. So let's finish with this. So I'm going to pause the video now and put in all of this information while you do the same. Okay. So I'm done putting all of my information, my banking information, and all I need to do now is click on this, all right, and just add. So you see, almost done. Click save, and the bottom complete updating your payment information. So you see, my bank is in the United States. I have not made any money yet here. Now let's complete this task information. Just click on this. Sorry, cancel. All right. So for just go save. We'll have to save this first. Okay, great. So action needed. Your account is not complete. Please update your account with required information. And all right. So you're saying, so I set up to receive payment for sales across all Amazon marketplace. All right. So let me complete this and I'll get back to the video. Sometimes, okay, complete tax. I beg your pardon. Questionnaire. All right. So it's going to bring me here. While it's loading, there's some information here that are sensitive. I might just blow out. So just confirm this first. Individual, not a US person. This is also very important. This will show up, right? This will show up when you are putting in your address, the address of your location. That's why it's good you put in the actual address. It's going to show this. So no, I'm not a US person or citizen, no, I don't know, whatever that is. Just confirm this. So they already have my tax on file because I already have an Amazon account. So you have to go through this, but just pick that you are not a US citizen. All right. Tax number. I have this is if you have a tax. I don't have any of this. Okay, a non-tax person. So you could put any of this, or you say they don't have. So if you have the Lagos Internal Revenue Service, you can put this. Okay, but if you don't have that, then now I have a US thing. You could put all of this. Now let me show you something that you could also do. If you have a CAC business, be a CAC document, a business, and you have the TIN of the business, please go ahead and put it here. Or a personal identification, the personal tax identification number. If this is for Nigerians, guys, if you're not Nigerian, just go ahead and click US. Okay. So I'm going to put in my own TIN, right? So let me pause the video and put my TIN. So once you put in the TIN, you can click save, continue, and you'll be directed here. Now, please note that anything you have can work. It can be a TIN of it you've registered before, or even if the business is something else, maybe the business is fashion or food delivery business, whatever it is, it's going to work. All right. So once you're done with this, this is the information here. I certify that this information is correct. Submit the form. Okay, signature, put in your full name. I'm going to put my full name now and just submit. All right, so once you're done with everything, this is what you will get. Your tax information has been received and successfully validated. All right, so you could print this or download if you want. So I'm just going to download so it could be on my computer for, I mean, whatever reason you want to download it. It's really not needed, but you could download that. Okay, so taking time to do that. Go back. Okay, so what I just did, I just edited the refresh the page. I tried downloading it. It came up with that error message, maybe my network or something. And like, guys, I'm giving you this is real life setup. All right, this is me doing it in real time. I'm not. This is there's no phoniness. All right, it's me being as real as possible as I can with this. So this is my tax dashboard. All right, my email, okay, and other information. If I want to edit my tax or my tax information, I can do that here. So just exit your tax dashboard. Just click on that. Okay, and when you're done with that, it's going to take you here, right? So it's going to bring you back here, which is your more like a dashboard. Your it's still loading up. Just wait for it to do this thing. All right, so identity verification required. So you can fix this by, using a card like a national passport or a government issued ID card. All right, I'm going to pause the video again and impute mine, and so then we can go ahead with this. So this is just what's left. Every other thing is checked here. Just this is the only thing that's left. So let me fix this by clicking on fix now. I click on fix now and wait for it to take you. Yeah. Okay. The identity, several things. Verify my identity. I'm going to blow out some information. So, how does identification work? Enter your account details, all of this. So, okay. So just verify this. Yes, verify. I was going to ask to also submit an ID card that I talked about. Okay. So I'm going to change this to where the ID card I want to use, then put in the type and go on. So I'm going to pause this because that's sensitive information. All right, I'll pause this and play this and continue when I'm done. Okay, so when you're done with your identity verification, you see this here. All right, and review your bank details for setup. Please update your account on getting paid page. So in any case, all of this has been done successfully, especially your identity. So you choose the country you're from. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, if you're in US, wherever it is, you pick the country. Then when you pick the country, the next thing it's going to ask you to do is upload which type of ID card you want to use. Do you want to use a driver's license or a international passport or whatever it is that they issue in your country? It's going to show the options there. You pick the ones you want. You could either use your webcam to capture it, or you can snap the picture on your phone, send on your laptop, and then upload it. I see that picture with your phone makes more sense. It's clearer and you get approved almost immediately, right? So now this getting paid page, so let's click that. We've done all of this before, but hey, sometimes they want to be extra. I'm sure that everything you put in is how it is. Action required, you enter the bank account that are able to receive KDP payments. Okay, so so they're telling me only account from deposit bank are allowed. Please remove an eligible account. Okay, I'm going to fix and put in another account. I also have an account in the UK, so I'm going to put in that account to see if that would fly. So I'm doing all of this, showing you some of the problems that might come when we go about things like this, so that when you're doing that, when you're trying to operate yours, it's going to be a bit easier. All right, so I'm going to pause the video now and just try and get all of this sorted out. All right, so you would see that after doing everything using your PayPal, your Payoneer account, if you have one, you sometimes will have this. Sometimes it's because you've not verified your PayPal, your Payoneer account, and that's why you're having some of these issues, right? So try again. If it's still showing you all of this error, then that you should remove this account. So this account I have here. If it's asking you to remove the account that you've imputed, this one here, this one, then go ahead to remove it. And then you can use other payment platforms, not just Payoneer. There's another payment platform you can use here, which is called Clever. So Clever can help you get this. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So all you do is come on Clever. You see US banking for you and your business. So you can simply see it here. All right. So you can simply use them here to operate all of your business transaction. Right. You just simply come here, choose individual, and continue. And when you continue, it's going to bring you here to scan this QR code. And when you scan it, it's going to take you to their website, the app, for you to download. It's operational on both Google Play an Apple Store, right? So now let's go back here. So just ask us for this, okay? But your account is good. The only thing is you can't receive payment yet, right? That's just basically what. But following all the steps we've done so far, you're good to go, right? So if we come to Bookshelf, you can see complete your account information to publish a book. And what it's asking you to do is just to receive your royalty payment. I mean, as you can see it here, which is that account. So I just created a Clever account and I'm waiting for them to verify. So when you create a Clever account, what happens is that it takes them a day, one working or business day for them to verify your account, and then they can give you a virtual USA bank account, right? So you could come on here, register, and wait for one day. Then after you verified, you can use the account available to you. Clever also provides you with virtual cards that you can use in buying or paying for anything you want to pay online. One of the things you should know is that with Clever, there's some documents that will be needed for you to be able to sign up on them. One of them is a government issue ID card. All right. Now it can be your driver's license, it can be your international passport, whatever it is. This will work. The other thing they need again from you is a selfie of yourself. All right, just to verify the picture on your ID card, the same picture that you took, selfie image. So when you're signing up, make sure you are in a place where you can take a picture. Make sure you're wearing a shirt. Make sure you look good. Nobody wants to have a terrible mug shot on the internet, right? And be rest assured that all of those information are kept secure. At least that's what they promise. So I guess we should go with what they say. All right. So this is basically what you need to resolve this problem, which is the problem of this bank account. So once that is done, you're good to go. All right. So once you're done setting all of this, all you need to do is start creating your books. You can click on create new title or series of books. It's going to ask, are you creating a Kindle ebook, paper pack, or a hardcover or a series page, whatever it is, you pick them here. Now, this is where we'll stop this video. I don't want the video to be too long, but subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button to get notified so that you would see how we create the books we're going to create, how we're going to create it, what platforms we're going to use, which of them are we going to pick. The question is, which option are we going with here? Are we going with the Kindle ebook? Are we going with the paperback? Are we going with the hardcover back? Or maybe we'll go with this option. You never can tell if you don't subscribe to the channel. So click on the bell button so you get notified when the videos drop. We'll drop videos like this every single day to keep you empowered so you can make money on a daily basis. With Amazon, you can make as high as $40,000 per month if your books sell really well. And the policy or the gameplay here is you have more books. We'll publish more books. So we could start with this series or we could start with this one. I'm going to show you what we'll be starting with in the next video. Thank you for watching. This is Cash by Titas. We want to always have money in your bank account, in your wallet, so you can live the life that you want to live. So if this is the kind of content you enjoy, please subscribe to the comment section. I'm going to leave relevant links in the description so you can go check them out and see what they do. And you can share this with anybody you think this might help, because people will always need help. And if you know anybody that needs help from you, please, by all means, help them out. And I'm sure they'll thank you for it. I'm sure those are the way I'm sure you thank you for this. So see you in the next one. And remember, Cash by Titas, we always love you.